the power supply vehicle. The power supply vehicle mainly consists of chassis, diesel generator set, control system, noise-proof carriage, hydraulic support system, cable hoist, blower and noise elimination system, exhaust system, incidental tools, and auxiliary. In order to improve and expand the usability and security of power supply vehicle, customers can choose the optional device of cable quick joints, intelligent fire extinguisher, lifting illumination, and oil monitoring system. According to customers' demand for power, we provide wide range of well-known brands of chassis for section, such as Dongfeng, Isuzu, Northern Benz, Iveco, and Volvo. As per customers' requirement, we can choose to install the suitable domestic or improved generator sets, such as Fick-Wilson, Olympia, Cummins, and so on. For high power need, our power supply vehicle can be converted from aviation gas turbine. Carriage of power supply vehicle. The carriage of power supply vehicle is divided into blower and noise elimination room, operating room, generator set room, and cable hoist room. The side of the power compartment is planar, and the car-style train design is adapted around the lower barrier. What's more, the toolbox is decided inside. The whole vehicle will be sprayed with the special paint used for the yellow engineering vehicles. Operating room. Humane design of operating room. Inside noise below than 75 dB. The control screen of the generator sets is installed in operating room. Taking into consideration of operator's long time duty, we provide below standard configuration of desk and chair, sofa, split-type air conditioner, AC/DC light, observation window, etc. In addition, the operation device of DVD player, liquid crystal TV are up to customer's choice. Room of gen set. The generator set is in the central carriage of gen set room, leaving a space about 400 mm in front, and overhaul space about 500 mm on both sides, which is convenient to the overhaul and daily maintenance. Two ABC dry power fire extinguisher are placed in the operating room and gen set room respectively. Lifting illumination. The optional device of lifting illumination to be fitted on top of chassis wheelhouse or carriage. Emergency lighting is realized by perching the lamp pole during use. There is omni-bearing searching, locating, and lighting functions, suitable to deal with accident and emergency lighting. Lifting height can choose 1.8 meters or 2.5 meters. Customers can choose the spot lighting or flood lighting of illumination light, which is controlled by wire or wireless within 0 meters scope. Hydraulic support legs. The hydraulic support legs are installed on the crossbeam of van. They move down to ground when used so that to lift the van body. In that case, most or all of the weight of the van is supported by the legs to keep the vehicle in level condition and also to reduce the load on spring plant. These legs are powered by electric hydraulic pressure and operated by buttons. Warning light. The standard configuration of power supply vehicle contains warning light, which is fitted on the top of chassis wheelhouse. Power distribution cabinets. The distribution cabinets is on the left of body of carriage, whose standard configuration includes a generator set output and two set 16 amperes module sockets. According to user requirement, we can install multi-loop outputs ATS transmitting cabinet, and optional electrical operation for circuit breaker. Cable hoist room. The cable hoist is used to close and open the cable, which is driven by 3-phase of motor. With configuration of the frequency converter stepless speed adjustment, it can open and close the cable easily. With manual operation function, the cable hoist can be operated manual to open and close cable when there's no available electricity. The configuration with full field power rating to power supply cable using. The cable with the heavy thought rubber shield fixable cable, especially used for any kind of mobile power equipment. It can withstand more mechanical force. Working voltage 450 to 750 volts. Working temperature 65 degree. It can use the withstanding high voltage of locomotive cable in high temperature. Luminous safety lock. In order to avoid the inconvenience to open the door caused by a vacuum condition. In genset's room, when the genset is running, the design of safety lock inside the door is adapted to make sure it is easily to open the door in genset's room and operating room in any time. Layman quick joints. To improve the safety and reliability when power supply vehicle in use, the customers may select the layman power connector for configuration. The layman instead of traditional copper roll of wiring ways. Connected cable. Overall, disassembly time with 1 minute to finish. Compare the traditional copper roll of wiring ways. The connect wire much safety and reliability. At the same time, it with protection against electronic shock. Connected reliability of monitor. Micro-ohm connect. IP67 defend. Fire extinguisher king. Power supply vehicle is the integrated of fuel oil, electricity and heat, of which the temperature is up to 600 degrees in particular. In order to guarantee the fire safety, the intelligent fire extinguishing system will be a good choice. By detecting the inside smoke and temperature, the power supply vehicle can provide real-time monitoring for the condition inside the vehicle and also start fire extinguishing system in time in case of any unexpected emergency. The fire extinguishing system uses carbon dioxide to isolate from the air, which is to the requirement of firefighting requirements and thus cause neither damage to equipment, especially the engine, nor any pollution to the environment. Intelligent gasoline electronic monitoring system. Taking into account of the operator's absence and long parking of the power supply vehicle, we can choose to install the intelligent gasoline electronic monitoring system. It can monitor such as parameters as fuel and electricity. In case of a non-normal situation, it will notify the related party by short message or telephone call.